Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable background audio on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically appears as three horizontal lines. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on System. This section contains important settings related to how Brave runs on your device, including startup options and background processes. Now look for the option that says Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. This is a crucial setting because it allows Brave to keep certain processes active even after you close the browser window. Toggle this option on. By enabling this, you're ensuring that background audio and other apps can continue functioning even when Brave isn't actively open on your screen. Alternatively, if you want to configure audio settings more specifically, you can take a different approach. In the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. This section gives you control over how Brave handles your data and content permissions, including audio playback. From here, click on Site and Shield Settings. This menu allows you to manage detailed permissions for different types of content and features that websites can use. Next, scroll down and click on Additional Content Settings. This opens up more granular controls for various content types that websites might request access to, such as images, notifications, and sound. Now, click on Sound. This is where you'll find the specific audio permissions for your browser. It controls whether websites are allowed to play audio and how that audio behaves across different tabs and windows. Finally, make sure sites can play sound is enabled. This setting is essential for background audio to work properly. When this is turned on, websites have permission to play audio content, which is necessary for background playback to function correctly. And that's it. You've successfully configured Brave browser to allow background audio, ensuring your music, podcasts, or any other audio content can keep playing even when you switch tabs or minimize the browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.